This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the exact range you want to pull from, for example A2, C100. This limits errors and speeds calculation. Once done, choose which row and optional column within that range you need. Remember, Google Sheets uses one-based row/column numbers. Next, type equals index and point to the range, then the row number expression. This first actionable step both retrieves precise data and sets you up for dynamic references later in formulas. Now you learn how to make index dynamic by using match for the row num argument. You create match, lookup value, lookup range, 0, because exact match mode returns a position number you can feed into index. Once match is returning a position, embed it like equals index, data range, match, column number. This approach separates how data is located from how it is retrieved, so you can change lookup criteria without rewriting the pull logic. A more robust and maintainable set. To finish, apply index to return full rows or single cells, omit column num to get entire row, or set column num for a specific field. Make sure to lock ranges with $ if you copy formulas across cells so references don't shift unexpectedly. If you might have no match, wrap the formula in IFER to return a friendly message. If it still fails, double-check your match mode, confirm ranges align, and verify you're accounting for one-based positions. That single offset often causes errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.